Hey y'all, welcome back to my channel. Wanted to get on here today with some lifestyle favorites, and I love these products so much. And the first one I'm so excited about because I have been struggling since Christmas with my allergies, and I was talking to a friend of mine and she said, that sounds really bad. It was waking me up in the night. I was blowing and blowing and blowing, and I mean, didn't matter where I was, basketball games, church, waking up in the night, it was incapacitating. And she said, go get you some Flonase. How did I not know about this? I have tried everything except this. She said, get Flonase or Nasacort. So I picked this up. You do 2 pumps in each nostril. It immediately stopped it. From the first time I used it, it immediately stopped my allergies, and they have not been back. So every morning when I get up, I'm so excited to use my Flonase. It has given me my life back, honestly. It was tissue after tissue after tissue, and I could not get rid of it. So the Flonase, big favorite, up at the top. Okay, next I have 2 pairs of shoes. The first one is a pair of loafers, and these are just plain black loafers. I will tell you, they do not look as cute just sitting here holding them as they do on. I was recently at the hospital with my mom was in the hospital, and my sister was there, and she had these on with some cute little pencil pants, like little skinny black pants. They would be cute with trouser pants. They're adorable. I'm going to show them to you on my foot because they are so much cuter, I think, on than they are just holding them. I wear an 8.5 or 9, and in these I wear a perfect 9. I tried both. The 8.5 was too small, and the 9 fits, I would say, a tiny bit loose, but very comfortable. And these are very comfortable. Okay, hold on. And I'll zoom in. I'm going to have to get far away from the camera. I love these so much. They just go with anything. Cute little black pencil pants, trouser pants, probably jeans. They're just so comfortable and so cute. And I think that they will be a classic that will just really never go out of style. I might ought to get another backup pair in case I can't find these in the future. But these are Franco Sardo. Got them on Amazon. I believe I paid about 89, maybe 85 or 89. And I love those. Okay, and then my next ones, I'm putting my shoes back on because this is my next favorite. And it's Uggs. And I know Uggs have been around forever, but I'll tell you what I love these for: house shoes. And a pair of plain Uggs, just boots, is not really much more expensive, if any, than Ugg house shoes. And I always wear leggings around the house, and I love just plain Ugg boots for house shoes. I have some with the bows on the back. That's why I'm showing you the back. These are just the plain ones. I also love the ones that have the bows all down the back. If I want to, if I think I'm going to be out and I kind of want to, I don't know, make it a little cuter. But these for house shoes. When it's cold in my house, they just keep me toasty and warm because, I mean, you've all seen them. They're the fleece inside. I love them. I live in these. They're great just to run out to the post office, wear around the house. They keep me toasty and warm. So I love my Ugg boots for house shoes. I don't wear them out that much, but I live in them in my house. Okay, next I have something else having to do with fashion. And I got these. These are little sweaters, just everyday cardigans that are real streamlined. Hold on, I'm going to show them to you. They're real streamlined and thin. So if you're going somewhere where you think it might be kind of cool, like to church or to the mall, where you think it might be, just too cool. I love these so much. I got about 6 of them. I just love that they are real streamlined. They don't add any bulk to your frame. Hold on. Get my hair back. They don't add any bulk to your frame. And, they're just the perfect length that falls right here, So these are just perfect to grab and throw on with anything. Skirts, jeans, they can go dressy or casual. And I love these so much. Not very expensive. I get them on Amazon. I load it up in case I can't find these in the future because I'll occasionally lay them down and leave them places, but these are just the best. I got it in black, and I also got it in this brown color. They have all different colors. So, yeah, I really love these sweaters. Okay, next, I have a pair of hair cutting scissors that I love so much. They come in this nice case. These are by Tecto. And I heard about these on Brittany Alexis, who I'm going to link her down below. She has amazing tutorials on how to layer your hair, how to cut your hair, how to do curtain bangs like I have, or side swept bangs. And her haircuts are so easy and so well explained and demonstrated. I love her. She's my go-to for haircuts. And she recommended these scissors, and I love that they're really nice and sharp. And it's in this sleek black, and they come in this nice case. So she was in my favorites maybe a month ago or two, and she's still a big favorite. And I love those scissors. Okay, next, I have a couple of things from the kitchen, and the first one is a dish, and it is delicious. It's a spaghetti squash with a sauce of cooked tomatoes and cream cheese. I did an Insta story on this couple weeks ago, and I'm going to download that here so you can see it being made. It is delicious. Okay, I want to show y'all something that I'm making for dinner that I think is going to be so delicious. I saw this on Instagram, I think. Okay, this is just cherry tomatoes, and I get Flavor Bomb because they have a lot of flavor to them. That is dairy-free cream cheese, but you can use regular cream cheese if you want. I use the dairy-free. Also saves on calories. And then I have made spaghetti squash. I'm going to cook this. I'm going to spice it up a little bit and cook that until it all runs together for a sauce. And I will be back to show it to you. It looks delicious. Okay, y'all, that is delicious. I could put a little bit more cream cheese on it and make it saucier. You can also see I added hamburger to it. This is delicious. So anyway, yeah, I love this spaghetti squash dish. I've been eating it every night for about a week. It makes a ton of leftovers. And spaghetti squash, if you were trying to be low carb, it has 40 calories for a full cup, I believe, and maybe 10 carbs. So much better than a sweet potato, and it's got that kind of sweetness to it. So when I'm craving a sweet potato, I'm reaching for spaghetti squash now for something sweet and low carb, and it is delicious. Let me know if you try it. Okay, next, this is something that Ellis for Living told me about that I am loving, and that is a Sorella Powder. This is a vitamin C, and it's cherry flavored. Now, when I say it's cherry flavored, it's tart. It doesn't have a sweetness to it. It has a tart to it, which is what I love about this. I love to put this in my electrolyte. I will link that down below with this. It is a berry flavored electrolyte, and then I put a scoop or two of this, and it makes it sweet and tangy, like a sweet tart. It is delicious. If I want even more tart, I'll put extra of this or a lemon in with it, and it's like a Sonic drink. It is so delicious. It's my treat every night, like my dessert after dinner. So, love this acerola. Anything you want to add a tart to, this, and it's got vitamin C in it, so really good. All right, my next one is in the kitchen, and I'm going to take you in there and show it to you. So let's go to the kitchen. Okay, it's in here, and it's in my refrigerator, and it is an egg dispenser. And I can't believe how much I love this egg dispenser. I don't have anything in my door that holds eggs, so I always kept cartons just kind of stacked in there. And they're bulky, they take up a lot of space. This is so streamlined It saves me space in the refrigerator, and then I love having them out so I'm not pulling cartons out. You know, it just takes out that extra step. It just makes breakfast a little bit faster. And it's, you know, that 2-layer, so you can fit more in, and it just doesn't take up much space. I love having my eggs handy, and I love that. I got it on Amazon. I will link that down below. I love it. All right, my next one is a movie. Well, a book and a movie, but the favorite this month is for the movie, and it's Where the Crawdad Sings. Okay, I read that 2 years ago, long enough that I had forgotten some of it. I remember the general story, but I hate seeing movies usually after I've read the book. I mean, we all know the book is better. This was so good. I loved the movie so much. I watched it with my son over Christmas. If you have never heard of this or read it, it's about a girl who she lives in the swampland, like I think Louisiana maybe, where the bayou is. And, you know, it's real swampy and a lot of wildlife and kind of away from civilization. So she's raised really poor with her family, and it's about her kind of a coming of age and what she goes through, and it's just her entire life story. It's so good. I don't want to say too much because if you haven't read it, I don't want to ruin it for you, but it is excellent. I thought it was well acted. I thought the story was great. It might have veered off the book a little bit, maybe even a lot. I don't remember, but I loved it so much on its own. So highly recommend the book and highly recommend the movie. I thought it was excellent. Okay, y'all, my next thing has to do with Christmas and ornaments. Okay, you know how people will get a baby's first ornament? These real sweet, little special baby's first ornament. Okay, this is my daughter's from 1998. And when my son was born, we were in the middle of moving and changing jobs, and it just got away from me. So I never had his own baby's first ornament, and I always felt so sad about that he didn't have his own with his year. Well, there's a website called replacements.com, and you can back order from the year your child was born. So if you missed out and you want special ornaments for your kids from certain years, you can go back and order back stock. This is from 2001, and I got it this year. And it's perfect for my son with the little gingerbread boy. I wasn't sure if I wanted that one. And it's got the 2001 on it, is on that little ribbon right here. It's kind of hard to see, it's so tiny. I wasn't sure if I wanted that one or this one, so I got both. So he actually has two. But these are so sweet and special, and so if you missed out on that for your kids, you didn't. You can still go back and get their date of the year they were born. So I loved that. All right, and that is all of my lifestyle favorites. Y'all definitely down below let me know anything that you are liking that I need to pick up and try. And that's all I have for you. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please like and subscribe. Leave comments and questions down below, and I'll talk to y'all soon. Y'all have a good day. Bye.